Hello, home designers. Welcome back to the Coohom Interior Design Masterclass, Basic Level. This is video number 19. And in today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to add ceiling beams in Coohom to enhance the architectural character of your design. Let's get started. To begin, make sure you switch to ceiling mode. Once you're in ceiling mode, navigate to the beam option on the left-hand toolbar. Click to select your preferred beams, then drag it into place within your design. Now head over to the right side property panel to adjust its length, width, and height, according to your layout. Repeat the same process to place beams across other walls or sections where needed. This method allows you to use pre-made beams and fully customize them to match the look and feel of your space, whether you're aiming for a modern vibe or a rustic charm. Earlier, we added doors and windows to brighten up the room and allow natural airflow. Now, these ceiling beams will add structural interest and complete the space beautifully. Quick tip: small touches like these beams can truly elevate your designs, and using the right tools makes it even easier. Special bonus for you: if you're enjoying this course and want to explore Coohom's pro features, use my exclusive promo code Home Designer to get 73% off on your upgrade. Also, you can get 10% off on all Coohom Elite plan using code HDElite. Click the link in the description to grab the offer while it lasts. It's the perfect time to unlock advanced tools and take your designs to the next level. That's it for today's video. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to create a niche wall on that. Same the room to define new zones and layout variations. See you in the next tutorial. Happy designing!